Your problem statement. When you were a child, you had certain dreams and hopes for your future. Perhaps this included a certain body type, a particular profession, world travel, or some level of education. As a child, what did you hope for or want more than anything? Next, consider your holistic health, your hobbies and your hopes, or dreams for the future. Mark your present level of satisfaction for each. With your health, are you most satisfied, satisfied, or least satisfied? Same with your hobbies. Are you most satisfied, satisfied, or least satisfied? And finally, for your hopes, are you most satisfied, satisfied, or least satisfied? Next, list any behaviors, patterns, or circumstances in your life that seem to be undermining your personal development. What feels contradictory to your values as they relate to the health practices, hobbies, and hopes that lead you step by step towards becoming the person that you want to be? Next, summarize your previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph. Identify any barriers or obstacles to your personal development that you wish to overcome. This is your internal FIRE problem statement.